All right, it's time to get crafty. Do you have one of those plastic playhouses in your yard for the kids?
Where do you see how a Middletown mom and lifestyle blogger transfers her? Melissa Cole has the story.
When one of Nicole Charles' sons wanted a gingerbread house last year, she got creative.
I actually got this one off of Facebook Marketplace for $20, and I figured I'm going to spray it and do some things to it. I have nothing to lose, so we'll see how it goes.
This is the before picture, a pastel playhouse that so many of us have had for our children over the years. But Nicole has taken it to a whole new level, and all for under $50.
In order to get it to look like this, what did you really need to do? Use spray paint?
Yes, so I bought 3 cans of spray paint total, 2 of the brown and 1 of the red. And then I bought that little window box. It was just a plain raw wood box from Michael's Crafts, and I just spray painted that. And then the wreath, also from Michael's Crafts, and that was, I think, maybe $2 or $3, and then 4 bunches of the faux flowers, and then the ribbon. So the whole project was really inexpensive, less than $50. You can easily do it if you have extra faux flowers just laying around your house and your basement from previous projects. It's a really, really easy and inexpensive way to give it a little facelift.
Yeah, because it is kind of, plain and boring when you look at them initially.
Yes.
But doing it like this, it looks expensive and adorable.
Yeah, and my kids actually, my husband was like, kids don't care, but they do. They were really excited about it. My daughter actually pulled out extra fake flowers out of our basement, and she ends up adding even more to this. So they did get really excited, and it's cute, and they play in it all the time. So to me, it was not a lot of money well spent.
There was no priming or taping involved. Nicole spray painted each piece separately.
So what's nice about this whole little playhouse is it does come apart completely. So I did just take the roof off, and there's 2 parts to it. And I laid it down on, a drop cloth in the yard, and I sprayed it outside.
Nicole drilled in the window box so it stayed secure.
The little mason jars I had, these are glass, but I recommend next time I go to Michael's, I'm gonna grab the plastic ones. They have plastic mason jars, which are definitely more kid-friendly, obviously, than glass ones.
So this is more of your fall look.
Yes.
And then when you go into the holiday Christmas season, what do you do differently?
So during the holidays, we bought those light up candy cane sticks. So we stuck those in.
She also put up cute garland, a Christmas wreath, small trees inside the window box, and string lights.
And at night it looks adorable because it's lit up and we could see it from our kitchen window. So it really did add a cute little festive touch.
That's adorable.
Yeah, so a playhouse that usually becomes an eyesore is no longer an eyesore. It's really cute and fun. I will also say that if you're going to hang a wreath, I did use the command hooks, and I used the command hooks when I did the Christmas garland as well. Make sure that you get the outdoor command adhesive strips. Because,
so if it rains or snows or whatever, it'll
it
still
will
stay
hold
on.
up really well and even stick to the plastic, but the outdoor adhesive is what you want.
And honestly, you found yours on Facebook Marketplace.
Yes.
But sometimes they're on the side of the road for people getting rid of them. You never know, right?
Yes, absolutely. I see them all the time.
So grab it, do something like this, and you have something totally adorable that the kids love.
Yep.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I think that's adorable. I love it. And for more decor and mom tips, you can follow Nicole on Instagram. Just search The Green Robe, at The Green Robe. You think, oh, come on, it's just pink and blue, go play in it. But it makes it so much more fun for them.
Well, what impressed me is that she not only used the word drill, she knows what it's for. I got 3 more in my house who think a drill is something you practice for.
I would not know how to use the drill, but I might call my husband and say, can you drill that?
Yeah.